Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to the new video in the series of chapter number 4. Today we are going to solve advanced level question from the exercise 4b. So let's move to the questions. Question number 8 states expand and simplify each of the following expressions. The first expression is minus 2 middle brackets 3a minus 4 bigger brackets a minus bracket 2 plus a and then brackets are closed. So this is an algebraic expression carrying various levels and we have to solve them at each level. So first we solve the smaller brackets. So we just expand it. Plus minus is minus, so 2. Whenever a negative sign is present outside the brackets, when it is expanded, the signs of the inside numbers are changed. So minus 2a and minus a. Secondly, we have to multiply this 4 with the values present inside the bracket. So this 4 is multiplied with a and the answer is minus 4a. Then minus 4 is multiplied with the 2, answer is 8. Minus minus is plus. Then minus 4 is multiplied with minus a, the answer is 4a. Then we can see that minus a can be cancelled with this minus 4a because one is positive and the other is negative. So same values with different signs can be cancelled. Same values having same variable can be cancelled with each other if they carry different signs. And after cancelling them, we multiply this minus 2 with 3a, answer is minus 6a, and then this minus 2 is multiplied with 8, the answer is 16. Plus minus is minus, so the answer is minus 6a minus 16. In B part, again we have an algebraic expression which we have to simplify and expand having brackets. And again first we solve the smaller brackets. So 2 minus 2 into c is minus 2c, plus minus is minus, and then 2 is multiplied with this d and we get the answer minus 2d. Then we have to solve this minus with this whole algebraic expression, and we know that whenever minus sign is present outside of the bracket, it just changes the sign of the inside of the bracket value. So minus d plus 2c and plus 2d. Then we have to multiply this 5 with each of the value inside of this bracket, and then when we multiply them, after multiplying we just grouped them like 15c and plus 10c and minus 5d and 10d. After grouping we solve them with each other. Plus plus is plus, 15 plus 10 is 25 c, and plus minus is minus, so we subtract 5 from this 10 and we get the answer 5d. And because the bigger one was carrying the plus sign, so there is a plus sign in between them. So this is how we simplify the algebraic expression which are carrying different brackets and in which there are different levels. Question number 9 states the average monthly income monthly salary of M male employees and F female employees of a company is $2,000. So in this question they are giving us an example in which there are male employees and the female employees. The male employees are represented with variable M and the female employee, total number of female employees is represented with F, and the sum average monthly salary of these employees is $2,000. Then if the average monthly salary of the male employee is given, then find the average monthly salary of the female employee. So first thing that we extract from this question is that number of male employees m. Then second thing is number of female employees f. Then as per given condition of the question, the average salary of all the males and the female is $2,000. So how we find this $2,000 is by dividing the sum of the salary by the number of the male and female employee, because this is the formula of the average. So from this formula we can conclude that if we want to find the sum of the salary that is being dispersed between these male and female, total sum of salary, that will be 2000 m plus f. This m plus f which was divided on this side of the equation, when it goes to the other side it is multiplied with this 2000. So we can see that sum of female salary is equal to the total salary. This 2000 m plus f is actually the salary which is total salary, and this is the minus m into b plus 200 is given in the question, that this is the salary which is given to the male. So if we subtract the salary given to the male from the total salary, we can find the sum of salary given to the female. So after solving it, this is the total salary which is given to the females. And if we have to find out the average monthly salary of the female, what we have to do, we have to divide this 1800 m plus 200 f minus mb over the number of females, because the formula is average monthly salary of the female employee is equal to the total salaries of the female divided by number of females. So the total salary which is given to the female is 1800 m plus 200 f minus mb, which is written over here, and the number of female is f. So this is how we find out the average monthly salary of the female. I hope you would have understand all the concepts. If you have any question or queries, you can ask it in comment section. Please provide us your feedback and subscribe our channel for the more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.